Hey, good morning, YouTube. This is a Chevy Silverado 2004 base model, regular cabin. I'm having an intermittent problem starting. Sometimes it starts, sometimes it doesn't, and I get stranded like a half an hour at times. So I figured out my problem. I wasn't getting the ground supply from the PCM to the starter relay. So here's the connector behind the fuse block. This is starter relay. That's the one I'm talking about right there. So I tried changing the fuse block. That didn't help. So now I'm down to I'm gonna try to bypass the PCM somehow. Well, right now I'm just replacing the wire. See if that's the issue I have. Maybe I have a bad wire there. So the culprit, I don't know if you can see it right there. This yellow wire, yellow and black wire right there. That's the culprit. So I'm gonna be replacing that wire with this wire. This is off of a same model year. I'm not putting the exact same wire on there because this is a thicker gauge wire, and I thought that would be better, better signal, whatever. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna replace that yellow and black wire. That's for your starter relay. This is off I got this from the junkyard off another vehicle. So I'm just pretty much gonna hook it up on here at this end, and the other end I'm gonna hook it up to the computer down here. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so here's the after. See, I replaced the that yellow wire right there with this orange one, and I picked one that has a double wire. It's originally from the salvage yard. I got it off of the same connectors. If you could see it, it's over here somewhere. That's the original wire, but off the salvage vehicle. Anyways, I replaced the yellow and black one with this orange one. Just because it has a double wire. So one wire, I'm gonna go straight to the computer, which follows the original path. And then the other wire, this wire over here, I'm going to use as a jumper. Just get my ground off of that whenever the car doesn't start. We'll see. And this one goes to the computer whenever the car doesn't start. Jump it right there, or jump it to ground, and your cart will start right up. Okay, so here we are at the PCM connector, the blue one. Blue says blue right there. The wire, it's the yellow and black one at pin 39. So to remove this, you just press the little tabs on here, on the sides of it. That little tab right there. On both sides, and it comes right out, slides right out. And this has, on the connector, you just lift the little tooth right here. Lift the little tooth like yay right there, and then the pin slides out. So again, I'm gonna be removing the yellow and black wire and installing my orange wire. at pin 39 of the blue connector. Okay, so here we are with the final product. Remove the yellow and black wire that comes from the starter relay. Goes to PCM, to the blue connector. So all I gotta do is hook this back up. Hook this back up like so. I'm gonna take that up. Alright. Here we have a no crank issue. No crank. Now I'm just gonna jumper. Just gonna put this to ground. And that's it. Alright, YouTube. Here I am installing a bypass, PCM bypass switch on the bezel. So these contacts, the contacts on here, I got off of I got them from AutoZone, and the actual switch I got it from Radio Shack. So all this switch does is supply the ground that normally comes from the PCM computer. So you're bypassing the PCM and you're using the switch to supply you a momentary ground, and it has to be momentary. It can't be, you can't just put it direct. It has to be a momentary ground. Okay, thank you. Okay, so this is the end result. Here is my bypass for the PCM. That's the PCM. That pin right there, that's the old wire. The new wire, it runs the same route to the bottom of the fuse block. And right there at the bottom of the fuse block, there's 2 wires that go into that one of these pins right here. The other wire, I spliced it to this black wire to continue into the firewall. So I routed it through the firewall to this switch, from this switch to a local ground. That's my local ground right there. Ground is ground, so. Alright, let's give it a try. So if it turns on normally, that's because you're getting the ground, your starter ground, through the computer. See, it doesn't start. So the computer is not giving the ground to the starter relay. So just press the button. This is a push button, by the way. Oh, wait a minute. I took out the relay. Hold on. Let's do that again. Okay, put this puppy back. See if it normally starts. See if it starts normal this time. Okay, see, this is an intermittent problem. So if it didn't start, I would if it didn't start, all I had to do was press the button, and the button would supply the ground to that relay, which normally comes from the PCM. All right, thank you. Bye.